Okay, we're back with a quick little video, another quick little video here for Premiere. This time we're going to be talking about frame holds and frame hold segments. A frame hold is a freeze frame. You think of it like that. On the test, they're likely to refer to it as a freeze frame. Create a freeze frame at 5 minutes and 20 seconds or something like that. There are two different kinds of frame holds. One frame hold will do like this. You put your blue playhead wherever you want to make the freeze. Let's put it right there with these, got a little smile happening here. Okay, right there. And then you right click on the clip that you want to add the hold to. So you right click and this pop-up menu opens up, the right click menu opens up. You could click just frame hold, add frame hold down here near the bottom. You click frame hold, and what it does is it takes the frame to the right of the playhead. So like the last frame that was playing, it takes that and it just makes a quick little freeze frame. You can see it right there. Freeze frame, okay? A frame hold. That is a regular standard frame hold. Now, what they're likely to ask you on the test is to make a freeze frame that lasts 2 seconds, okay? And then lets the clip keep playing from there. So what you would do then is called a frame hold segment. So you do the same thing. You get your playhead right here, wherever you decide you want it, right there. We like that. Then you right click and then add a frame hold segment. Insert a frame hold segment. You click on that. And what it does is it takes that same frame where it would have made a freeze frame before, it takes that same frame and creates a separate clip for that freeze frame. Now, what you can do is you can move this clip out of the way. Because you see it's got a little, here, let me show you. Got your little freeze frame, and it freezes and it holds for a few seconds, and then it picks right back up. Now, if you want that freeze frame to last longer, you can move this clip out of the way and click and drag your frame hold segment so that now that lasts a lot longer. And it's going to last however long you want that to last. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer, and then whenever that runs out, your video will start playing again right where it left off. So that's frame hold, which is a standard freeze frame style thing, and a frame hold segment, which is it grabs a frame of your thing, freezes it for however long you want it to, and then it lets the video pick up where you left off. You have to keep the clips together to do that, otherwise you'll get like a little black there, and then it'll pick up from wherever. But it basically takes your one clip and turns it into 3 separate little clips. You can see there with the little edit marks in between the clips. Okay, so that is frame holds and frame hold segments. We'll be back again with another video. Thank you.